Hey guys, it's Pat from Pat's Brewery, and this week we have been able to get the extra electrics done. Hey guys, so before we actually get started, I realised at the end of the video I say, so this has been Chat and Brew volume 2, and I didn't actually have a brew in my hand. Well, that's because it's 8 o'clock in the morning where I'm filming and editing this, so the only appropriate brew that I can be having right now is a cup of tea. Cheers guys, and hope you enjoy the video. So yeah, a couple of weeks ago we installed the inline extractor fan right there, but I called out at the time that I hadn't got around to doing the electrics to it. Well, that's now done. The method of doing so, as you can see up there, we've connected a wire. Yes, some more pinning does need to be done, but overall it's okay. And into this part of the brewery here, I've installed, well, I say installed, I've built an extra frame where I've just run some more electrics from over that part of the garage. For the actual extractor fan, I've done everything as you're meant to do with regards to having a 3 amp fuse first before actually having your initial switch, which we can see is working nicely. I've also been able to set it up with a timed delay, so I've not actually worked out how long the timer is on that, but that should allow me to turn it off at the end of the day and continue to vent out any additional steam that is in the brewery. Let's just turn that off. And so while I've been at it with regarding adding those electrics, I've also added in an extra plug socket here, which is going to be powering our fermentation station. 3 sockets there, 2 for the actual fermenters, because that's, you know, the intention, to be able to power 2 fermenters at a time. And then the third, I did have a specific job for the third. What was I going to do with it? Ooh. The third is because I've also recently invested in some additional lighting and bits and pieces, so hopefully going to be increasing a little bit of production value to the brewery on brew days and bits and pieces. You know, just to try and make it a little bit better for you guys to see. I know that I've done a few videos in the past where I'm all blacked out, or the thing that I'm showing you guys is blacked out. So, yeah, adding that extra socket there means that I can stick in a light over here, bit of directional light, and that should make it all nice and lit up for you guys. In other news, what we have also done is, well, I've not done anything yet, but my sister has recently had her kitchen redone, and the guys doing it were able to be very lean with regards to their use of work surface, and she's actually got an extra 3 meter bit of kitchen worktop. So I mentioned a couple of weeks ago that I was planning or thinking about changing over my setup with regards to the brewery worktop and having a more a drop, so that the mash tun and boil kettle were a little bit lower down and easier to get into. So, you know, 3 extra meters of work surface means that I can look to get that build done. So yeah, April is definitely the time of build and construction, so that we should hopefully be able to get onto some brews in, you know, the following months, and hopefully get some good brewing done for the rest of the year. Well, that's the plan anyway. In any case, guys, I think that's about it for now, and this has been the Chat and Brew volume 2. Catch you later, guys. Cheers.